Hello scholars, welcome back. In today's class, we are going to start chapter 11 from our new images textbook. So I want you all to get ready with the book. Open page number 105. Let's read the chapter name. Remember to put your index finger below the words that we are reading. The story of trees. And there is a line below it. Let's read that. Or conservation through a conversation. What does this mean? Conversation, we all know that when two people interact, that is a conversation, and conservation is saving of something. Let's see what does this story tell us. Okay, and this story is actually a conversation, okay, between a father and the son. Let's see what do they talk about. Turn to page number 106. Here, do you see to the left side there are words written in bold letters that are dark black. That means that particular person is saying these sentences. Okay? Let's see what Rohan is saying. The first paragraph. Let's read. Father, you spend a lot of time taking care of the plants. Then you get very tired and you don't play with me. So Rohan says to his father that you spend lot of time with the plants, taking care of them. Okay, he might be planting the trees or watering them. Yes, and he gets tired, and that's the reason you don't play with me. That's what Rohan says. Let's see what father says. He smiles. Don't you know how important trees are for us? Without trees, it would be impossible for us to live on earth. Rohan. Yes, father. Our teacher told us a very interesting thing. She said that if there were no trees, we would not be there too. So father smiles and says, don't you know, Rohan, how important trees are for us? Without trees, there would not be life possible on earth. Nobody would survive. That's how important trees are. Then Rohan says, yes, father, even our teacher told a very interesting thing that if trees were not there, even we wouldn't exist. Children, do you all know that? Trees are very important for us. Without them, we cannot live. Okay? Let's continue reading. This is because trees take in the bad air that we breathe out and give us good air. Why they are important? See, the air that we are breathing out of our nose, right? That is bad, and trees take them in. Okay, they make the environment fresh. They give out fresh air, which we again breathe in and again let the bad breath out. Yes, so they are purifying the air, isn't it? Yes. Now what father says? Yes, trees are wonderful things. They are very important for us. They give us food. They also give us wood for making FURNITURE, furniture, and gum, rubber, and many more things. So father says, yes, trees are wonderful things. They are very important for us. Why? Because we get food from them and they also give us wood. Yes, children, we all know the furniture at our home. How is it prepared? The table, chairs, beds, everything, because we get that wood from trees. with which we make our furniture, we get gum, we get rubber, and many more things from trees, yes, which are important for us. Next, Rohan, Father, are trees not helpful to birds and animals? What is Rohan asking? Are the trees not helpful to birds and animals? What do you think, children? No, they are very helpful to them. How? Let's see what Father says first. Father, of course, they are. Most birds, animals, and insects live on trees. See, most of the birds make their nest on the trees. Animals and insects also live on the trees, right? Now we'll be moving to page 107. Trees provide them SHELTER, shelter and food. Do you know in what other ways trees help us? Rohan, Father, on a hot day, trees give us shade. Now, first thing Father says that they provide shelter. What does shelter mean? That a place that protects us from danger. What is our shelter? We have our houses to live in, right? We are protected from the bad weather or thieves by staying in our houses. The same way, the shelter is provided to birds and animals from trees, okay, and they also get food, okay. And then Father also says, do you also know what other ways trees help us? Then Rohan asks what? So Father says, on a hot day, Rohan says, on a hot day, yes, when the days are very hot in summer, we get shade from the trees. That in turn is taken, that shade is given to animals and birds as well as to us when we are out. Yes, we get the shade from the trees. Alright. Next, Father, very true. Do you know that places that have a lot of trees get more rainfall? When it rains heavily, the roots of trees hold the soil firmly. So the soil does not run off. So what does Father say? That the places that have a lot of trees, where there are a lot of trees, okay, those places get more rainfall. And when it rains heavily, the roots of the trees, they hold the soil, okay, very firmly, so that the soil doesn't get washed away due to, it doesn't get washed away, alright. Now, Rohan says, wow, that makes the tree a very useful thing. Yes, isn't it? Yes, trees are very useful to us. I didn't know that trees help us in so many ways. Father, don't some people use wood to light a fire for cooking? If plants are being cut for wood and to be used as fuel, shouldn't we plant more trees? That's a very good question, children. What Rohan says, that some people use wood, isn't it? Even in villages today, plants are being cut, trees are being cut to light a fire for cooking, yes, and it is used as fuel, right? So shouldn't we plant more trees because they are being cut off for different uses, right? So Father says, yes, of course, trees are cut down to make houses and industries. Yes, industries are where people make different kinds of things, yes, that are sold to others. So to make these houses and industries, trees are cut down. If trees are cut down, the land will soon become a desert. Desert means, you all know, right, where there are no trees at all. It is only mud everywhere, no water available. Yes, that is why Shri K.M. Munshi started the Vanamahotsava. It is celebrated all over India in the first week of July. He believed that if we act wisely now, we can save Earth and all living things on it. So because we are cutting down trees for different uses, if we continue doing the same thing, it will happen that the earth becomes a desert. So for it to not happen like that, K.M. Munshi has started a celebration which is done called Van Mahotsava all over in India in the first week of July. And you know, children, during this first week of July, as a celebration, what people do, they plant more and more of trees and plants everywhere. And he also said that if we act wisely now, that means if we act in a right way, think properly, we can save Earth and also all the living things on it. Then what Rohan says? Yes, we planted many trees in our school on that day, and I am going to plant trees right now. Yes, so what Rohan says, that they have planted trees in our school. In their school, they have planted trees during that day, and he is going to plant even now. And we also get in our school, plants are distributed every year, isn't it? We take home. Yes, from our school we get too. So we take it home and we plant. So we have to plant more and more trees to keep our earth safe for all the living things. I hope you got a nice message here. Now children, the dictation words and question and answers related to this chapter are given in the PDF, which is in the link provided below. Open it, complete it properly and neatly in your English copy. Okay, I'll see you in the next class. Till then, be safe at home and take care.